This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Tuesday, July 26th. Holland America has celebrated 1 year since its return to service this past weekend. Following the industry shutdown over the pandemic, New Amsterdam was the line's first ship to set sail on July 24th of last year from Seattle. All ships in the fleet are now back in passenger service, with Volendam set to wrap up its charter in the Netherlands, housing Ukrainian refugees, and return to regular scheduled voyages in late September. Since its restart last year, Holland America has operated 242 cruises and visited 169 different ports of call. Here's some cool facts. 6.5 million meals have been served on its ship since the restart, 7 million eggs, and 150,000 gallons of ice cream. For more stats, visit cruiseradio.net. And we turn now to Alaska, where a new report from a geotechnical engineer says that Skagway's busiest cruise dock is at significant risk of landslides. The report follows an incident last month where an early morning rockslide damaged part of the main cruise dock. For one of the rockslide areas, the report says, quote, "We believe that there is a significant risk associated with complete failure of this feature. The consequences of such failure will be catastrophic in nature with significant risks to life and property." It went on to say the timing of such a failure is difficult to predict, but accelerating movement rates suggest that the failure is approaching. To reduce the risk, the port has rearranged passenger foot traffic in the dock area. No passengers were at the pier and no one was injured during last month's rockslide. And finally, Norwegian Cruise Line has announced a drink package for those needing their caffeine fix at sea. The unlimited Starbucks package includes unlimited coffee, tea, and refresher beverages by the cup at Starbucks locations throughout the fleet. It's now available for pre-purchase or for purchase on board, starting at $12.95 per person per day. That's excluding the Starbucks food. The line also announced that the Sports Complex and Spice H2O on Norwegian Epic will be closed for maintenance on all voyages departing in August. Norwegian is giving guests $50 in onboard credit for the inconvenience. And cruise line stocks were down on Monday. Carnival Corporation down 1.2%, 9.15. Royal also down 1.2, 34.45. And Norwegian down 1.4, 11.80. Breaking news and industry coverage at cruiseradio.net. Doing the news in a different spot of the studio this morning. This is kind of my view here, so sunrise is happening right behind me. Kind of pretty. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have yourself a great Tuesday.
The proceeding was a production of Cruise Radio. For more accurate and dependable updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit cruiseradio.net.